Hello everybody, welcome back to another Aldi grocery haul. This is going to be a super quick video because my mom so graciously came over to watch my 2-year-old today so I could do some shopping. So I want to be respectful of that and be super fast, get my groceries, get in and out, and get back to the house. So I will show you what I got when I get back, and I'll go over the prices with you. But yeah, I gotta make it quick because boy is she in a mood today. Not my mom, but my toddler. So let's go ahead and get the shopping done really fast, and I'll go over what I got this week, including the prices with you and the total. See you back at the house. All right, you guys, well, I am back from the store. I've got everything set out. I'm gonna go over everything. I'll have the prices down in the bottom corner for you. So let's go ahead and sorry, I've got little miss over here eating some lunch, so if you hear her saying happy birthday for whatever reason, that is why. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with all the meat that I got today. I got a couple things that I haven't gotten before. Now the pork chops, I have gotten these before. They're really good. It comes usually with 3 in a pack, and I feel like the price isn't terrible. It's under $5 for 3 pork chops, and I have 1 left over from last time in the freezer. So for Peter and I, it works out great. Just to fry them up in the skillet with some salt and pepper, garlic, and onion powder, and I also have some chipotle seasoning I like to put on these too. So these are really good for an easy dinner that doesn't cost a whole lot. Now, I don't normally get beef. There's a recipe that I'm wanting to try, a crock pot recipe, and it's got the egg noodles and beef, and this, I'm not sure. Y'all tell me if you feel like this was a good deal. I know that prices are kind of crazy everywhere right now, and it's different from state to state, but this for 2.52 pounds, and I don't normally do this, it was $15.09. So we usually just eat a lot of chicken and turkey and things like that, a lot of leaner meats, but sometimes you're just like, where's the beef, you know, and you just need some beef. So I got some beef for this recipe that I'm going to try, a crock pot recipe, so we'll see how that works out. So I don't know if that's a good deal. It was $5.99 a pound. Y'all tell me what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. I always get a thing of the frozen ground turkey while I'm there. I use this for tacos and chilies and things like that, and so I use this a lot. I like to have it on hand. I went ahead and got a bag of the frozen chicken breasts, and sometimes we just like to have buffalo chicken strips, and I picked up a bag of these. We'll do these with some fries and some blue cheese to dip them in or whatever, so that's good. Back to over here. Now these, they actually had them. I was going in there not knowing if they were going to have the wide egg noodle. The recipe that I'm doing with the beef calls for these, so I went ahead and picked up 2 bags, and I don't know if I'm going to need these, but I went ahead and picked them up just for extra flavor, because it was pretty reasonable. It's just the beef bouillon cubes. Y'all know I like the quinoa. I got the garlic and basil and the rosemary and olive oil. And Peter loves these for his lunch, so I went ahead and got like a big, just a whole package of those, a whole cardboard box full of the mixed vegetables. And the girls are coming this week for spring break, so I wanted to have some fun little things for us to do, and this was not very expensive, and it just looked fun, and it included everything, including the cookies, and you don't have to bake anything. So I thought while they're here that'd be fun to decorate these. And I needed some beef broth, so I got 2 things of that. And I've never gotten these before at Aldi, the garlic knots. So we're gonna try these. I thought these might go well with that beef noodle recipe that I'm gonna be trying this week. And some chocolate, because sometimes Mama needs some chocolate, yeah. I got a box of scallop potatoes, a salad, spring mix. I got the whole wheat bread, and I always get these sparkling soda waters. I got orange, passion fruit, and lemon. A gallon of whole milk, some butter. Hey, shh. I've never gotten these at Aldi's before, but I figured for the price, I can't remember exactly, I know it was $1 something. You just need to add an egg and butter. That might be nice to have around in case we want some cookies. I got the whole wheat pita bread for Euros. We're gonna do that one night this week for dinner. I got bananas, and like I've mentioned before, I like to get them green, so that way they don't get too ripe too fast before we can get through them. Got some tangerines, onions, lemons, and I like to have a couple of these in the pantry at all times. The tomato basil garlic pasta sauce, so I grabbed one of those. I got 2 cans of peas and just some extra gum to keep in my purse. Raspberries. All the berries and stuff looked good today, so I went ahead and got some. I got some strawberries. 2 things of olives. The queso or queso sauce, cheese dip, we like that, and I got some white rounds to go with that. I got the whole milk Greek yogurt, a thing of dill pickles, and Reese loves these little juices, and these are really nice. This one was new. I haven't seen it before, the strawberries and kale. So we'll be trying that. There's one that we've tried already that has carrots and apples in it, and she really likes it. So we're going to try that one. And then I got 2 bags of the steamed broccoli florets. And we've picked these up one time before, and they're really good just for if you just need something quick just to snack on. I've been feeling jalapeno lately, so you'll see a jalapeno trend. I've got this snack mix with the jalapeno ranch, super good. And I love their kettle chips, the jalapeno flavored too, just to go with like a BLT or a sandwich or something. That's super good. And we have been loving these pub style pretzels, the bold and zesty. It's got the garlic and onion flavoring on them. Super, super good. So I got 2 bags of those. And y'all, that is it. That is everything that I picked up today. And I will have the grand total right here, which surprisingly, I feel like it was still pretty good considering that the beef was $15. I was thinking that it might end up being closer to like $150 or something like that. So I was happy with everything we got today. And as always, don't forget to leave me a comment and say hi. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I'd love for you to join my YouTube family, and I will see y'all next time.